Welcoming Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar's decision to retire from one-day international cricket, the Board of Control for Cricket in India today said that Tendulkar's decision to retire was no surprise. BCCI Chief Administrative Officer Ratnakar Shetty revealed that the decision was not a shocker for BCCI, as they knew that Tendulkar was waiting for the right time to take this step.
It's a big decision because for a player who has played for 23 years and all formats of the game and with great distinction. I think it was a decision that he has taken with a great deal of thought. And I think from what he has expressed is concerned that India has to prepare for the next World Cup. And from that point of view, he felt that it was time that he retired.
So were you yourself a little surprised by his call ahead of us?
No, I don't think so. Because he was thinking in these terms. And there was no pressure on him as such from the board, because the board president had spoken to him, had left it entirely to him to take a call on when he calls it a day. And that is the stand which we have been taking for last 5 years. Not over speculations were there since 2007. And for a player of his caliber, I think ultimately he decides when it is the right time to quit. And he has quit from the shorter format.
देखिए, सचिन तेंदुलकर ने बीसीसीआई प्रेसिडेंट को बात करके अपनी इच्छा व्यक्त की कि वो वनडे फॉर्मेट से रिटायरमेंट लेना चाहते हैं। टेस्ट के लिए अभी अवेलेबल रहेंगे वो, लेकिन वनडे फॉर्मेट से उनका संन्यास लेने का फैसला है। इसके पहले वो 2020 से संन्यास ले चुके हैं और वनडे से आज उन्होंने संन्यास लेने की इच्छा जाहिर की है, जिसको बीसीसीआई प्रेसिडेंट ने स्वीकार कर लिया है। देखिए, एक न एक दिन तो हर एक को संन्यास लेना ही पड़ता है, लेकिन ये सचमुच बहुत सोचने की बात है कि सचिन के बिना काफी दिन तक लोग भारतीय क्रिकेट की इन दो विधाओं को जो है उनकी कमी को महसूस करेंगे, क्योंकि उनका इतना बड़ा योगदान है, इतना बड़ा उनका रिकॉर्ड है कि भारतीय को, विश्व के जितने क्रिकेट फैंस हैं, वो सारे लोग उनकी कमी को निश्चित रूप से अनुभव करेंगे।
Meanwhile, former cricketer and BJP MP Kirti Azad said that God had finally decided to oblige to Indian cricket through this decision.
I think he's obliged to Indian cricket by retiring. The God has ultimately decided. Everybody was talking that he should retire. I suppose if I am playing cricket, whether I am playing good or bad cricket, it's up to me whether I retire or not. But the call has to be taken by selectors. The selectors didn't take a call. I think he was also tired. Selectors not taking a call on him. So I think after all he's obliged Indian cricket. So I'm very, very happy that he's ultimately taken a decision and the right one.
Meanwhile, fans said that they respect the cricketer's move, but they will miss him in the ODIs. However, this decision will give opportunity to young cricketers of coming forward and showing their talent.
Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar is a great cricketer. He's actually a legend. Once before there was a rumor that he had announced his retirement from One Day International, as in saying critics said that. But Sachin had answered that in a nice way, saying that critics did not teach me how to play cricket. It was me. It was myself who learnt how to do it. So since he's retired, I think he's taken a wise decision because he's at the peak of his form and he's aging around 39. I think he's played his part for India, for the country.
Well, Sachin Tendulkar has been the heart and soul of the Indian cricket team.
One day international, retiring.
If you're taking the one day international, I would say that it's an advantage as well as a disadvantage. It's a disadvantage because they won't have Sachin Tendulkar to play for them anymore. And an advantage because the youngsters now will get a chance to come and show themselves onto the Indian cricket team as to how good they are and how well they'll progress. You can't always have the one man, you can't always rest your hopes on one man. You need more youngsters to come in and then show what they can do themselves.
I'm quite disappointed because I used to watch cricket only for Sachin Tendulkar and he has been a legend all the time. So I would want him to come back, play a little more. There's time for everyone to retire. I think he should play a little more, train other more young cricketers who are coming into the team, contribute more to the Indian cricket team and then leave. So I'm quite disappointed. I used to watch cricket only for him, so I think he should still play.
There are a lot of expectations out of him, but he is not fulfilling that in previous series. So do you think this is the right time for him to leave?
No, I think he should play more. He should fulfill all our expectations and then leave because He's a legend and I don't think anyone can replace him.
Camera person Shivang from New Delhi and correspondent Mahesh from Mumbai for ANI.